Selling a rental property in Pensacola while tenants are still living there is totally possible, and often faster than trying to evict or relocate tenants. In this video I'll show you how to get the property sold without drama, including lease versus month-to-month, what it means for the sale if a tenant has a signed lease. The buyer usually inherits a paying tenant, investors like that. If a tenant pays month-to-month, you have more flexibility to coordinate move-outs or market the home vacant, whichever gives you the best price. How to keep tenants cooperative. Communication is the secret. Tell tenants the timeline, offer flexible showing windows, and give small incentives, rent credit, gift card, or paid cleaning, for cooperation. Respecting their schedule keeps showings smooth and keeps the property showing well. How to market a tenant-occupied house so it still sells. Use clear listing photos that highlight the property, declutter with tenant permission, highlight rental income to attract investor buyers, and offer limited, well-organized showing windows. Consider virtual tours if tenants prefer minimal disruption. Fast cash option if you want a quick sale. Investors often buy tenant-occupied homes, as is, which means no repairs, no long listing, and a fast closing. That's a good option if you want speed and certainty without managing multiple showings. If you want a no-hassle cash offer for your Pensacola rental, call Quality Properties of Northwest Florida LLC at 850-346-4995 or visit qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com.